skating competition. I have never joined any competition in my life. Let's see what will happen. I win or lost, it doesn't matter. But I'm participating, it does matter. Guys, you should never ever think about lost or win. But you should participate in every competition of your life. I'm here to participate in this competition. Let's see what will happen. Now I'm gonna wear my skate, guys. Cheer for me and give us a thumbs up and a like and ring the bell. I'm gonna show you my top secret of skating. And here is it. My number is 079. And I'm gonna put this on my back.
Proof?
Guys, now it's time to wear the skates. And now my back is done. I'm wearing my skate. This is my fastest skate. Let me show you. It has fire. This is very fast. It has fire. My skates are the fastest. That's why I always win. Now I will show you the protection. I'm wearing my protection, which makes me not hurt when I'm falling. This is all of the protection. Guys, now I'm gonna go to do my practice. I have wear everything and let's go.
Guys, I want to tell you one thing. Kyan is really very happy today and he is excited a lot. I don't know about Kyan, but I'm really very nervous. He hasn't participated in any competition in his life. This is his life's first ever competition. He has very small time to do practice with his friends. Let's see what will happen, guys. Hope for the best and cheer for Kyan. Now guys, this is the Kyan's final race. It's just starting. Good Kyan, go. Oh my god. Kyan's opponent is stronger than Kyan. But no worry, we have to cheer for Kyan. Kyan, go! It's time to go faster. This is the last round, guys. I don't know what will happen now. Oh no, another boy is just fall. It's time to go faster, Kyan. Go, Kyan, go. Yay! Oh my god, I'm really very happy today. This is the happiest moment of my life.
I'm so happy because I came first. I'm sitting and getting off my skates right now and take the medal. You will see when I wear the medal. Let's wait, guys. I will show you when I will wear my medal.
Guys, I can't tell how much I'm happy today. He makes me feel proud to be his parent. Good Kyan. Look at his smile, guys. He is awesome.
Guys, because of your support, I win golden medal for my first time. I like golden medal. Gold medal. Thanks for watching my skating video. See you next time. Bye bye.